monster. Stomp! Stomp! Howard! The Titans are waking up! Howard love the sound. Big old monster stomp in the ground. Blue flames lighting up the town. Everybody run when the Titans come down. Howard love Kong beating his chest. Ghidorah flying over west. Monster glowing, looking blessed, but don't make noise while Howard rests. He got Godzilla standing tall in the smoke. Blue spikes glowing every time he provoke. Whole city shaking every time he woke. Howard looking like let's go. Then King Kong comes stomping through the street. Big fist slamming with the earthquake beat. Howard got the figures lined up neat. Movie marathon every single week. And when King Ghidorah fly over the sky, lightning crack when the three heads cry. Howard throw his hands up high like that's my guy. Howard love the roar, love the sound. Big old monster stomp in the ground. Blue flames lighting up the town. Everybody run when the Titans come down. Howard fly loud, monster fights. Big bright beams in the night. But if we get light, turn that down right. Mother wings glowing purple and gold. Howard know every story ever told. Bro dance, flying fast and bold. Fire in the sky looking out of control. Make a Godzilla made of steel and rage. Howard watching battles like a giant stage. Every roar make the speaker shake. Every stomp make the floorboards quake. And when his favorite YouTuber pop on screen, Cappy reacts. Howard smiling